Welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to talk about Udemy Offsite promotions. Now, one of the main Offsite promotions is discount coupons. We'll also talk about using Udemy affiliates and the Udemy in-house promotions, which are very effective. We'll talk about how to use your course summary as a constant update and kind of like a blog to communicate with your students and potential new students. And finally, how to use course announcements that Udemy allows you to send directly to your students every month. It's kind of like a virtual email list. Discount coupons are a powerful marketing and promotion tool that you can use outside of Udemy to sell more courses. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you create a course coupon that you can promote. So you just go to from your course dashboard to your course management system, and there's just links that you'll have once your course goes live. Really easy to find. Just go on the left side here and you go to price and coupons. Click on that. And then I've set my price at $197 and you can change it anytime. It's really simple. And then here's all my coupons. And so I've just created these coupons just, whenever you want. Happy Student 4, Happy Student 1. So you can just create a coupon on the fly. You just hit create a coupon and we'll just call it demo for now 1, and the price would be, say, $29, and you can limit the number of coupons, which is a good idea because then it creates a scarcity. 25 coupons, and you can also put a deadline. So let's say that this expires on a week from today, Friday. So there you go. So I create that coupon. It's for $29. There's only 25 of them, and it expires next Friday. Save that. Boom. Creates it right here, you see? And I can go in and I can turn it on and off anytime I want. That's off, so it doesn't work anymore if I change my mind. So I just click get a link, copy and paste that link, and boom, it takes me right to the course. So if I copy and paste this link, take that, and I go over here. So I paste the link in the browser, hit return, and then there's my brand new coupon. I just created it like 10 seconds ago. It shows everything like normal, my full course, my summary and description, and except here it automatically shows that there's an 85% off coupon, which I've listed at $29. So this is really cool. It's automatic, and you could do this till the cows come home. So Udemy has a very large and active in-house marketing and promotion system that you definitely want to be a part of. So Udemy has a massive email list with 7 million students and potential students on the list. And they send out a lot of emails every week. They're doing promotions like the one you see here pretty much every week, and it really helps. It sells a lot of courses. So I definitely encourage you to opt into their marketing system because it is optional. You can opt out if you like. So here's one of my courses on an email that they send out to different segments of their email list. And as you can see, I've got a great spot. I don't always get that spot, but I was number 1. And currently I have 2,300 students in that course. So I'm really happy about it, and it works out really well. Now, another thing to think about is Udemy also has an affiliate program where they pay a commission to different blog site owners and people like that around the internet to promote and sell your course with discount coupons. You get a lot less with this. You only get 25% of the sale, but it spreads it out to a lot more potential sales sites. So it's definitely worth it. I would opt into both the affiliate system and the Udemy in-house promotion system. So when new potential students click on your course image after they do a search on Udemy, they'll see what they call your course summary. And you can change and modify and update that course summary at any time you choose. So it's a really powerful tool to use. So let's look into this a little more with a screencast. So your course summary is very powerful because you can update it constantly. So here's your course listing when potential new students do a search looking for your course, and they click on your listing. And then they bring up this course listing page, and here's your course description down here. Now it's funny because Udemy calls it your course summary inside of our dashboard where we actually create this, but out here in the public they call it the course description. But anyway, I digress. Anyway, so here you click full details and you see all of this here this is your course description, course summary, and you can change any of this anytime, and the updates are almost real time. So for instance, here I went in and I added some of the best reviews that I had. And then a lot of instructors will add notes saying, notice that I've added 3 lectures as of yesterday. And it's kind of like a virtual blog, and you can communicate with potential new students and offer different insights into your course and different, persuasion points and so forth. So last but not least are course announcements. So Udemy lets you do 2 promotional announcements, which are just emails that you send to all your students. So in my case, there's almost 4,000 students, so it's a pretty powerful email system. So you do 2 promotional emails, and you can do 4 educational emails. In the promotional emails, you can put course coupons, you can promote your other courses to students in different courses and so forth. In the educational emails, you can just only put educational information, like tell people that you've added new courses or offer new insight into lessons that you've have in your courses and so forth. So that's the criteria, but it's still a very powerful tool. And I'm going to show you a screencast of some examples of some really good educational announcements. So here's an example of a course announcement that I just got from Phil Ebener. He's a top Udemy instructor, seems like a really nice guy. I've taken most of his courses, they're really good. And this is the email that you would send out, and this is an instructor announcement. So this is a promotional announcement. So he's allowed to send 2 of these a month and to all the students, and he can put in promotional information, sell his other courses, discount coupons, and he's done so. So he puts a nice title in there, and then he puts a nice interesting picture, $29 for the first 29 students, and then you can click on the courses and you can just go right to the course. So if you click on this link, it just takes you right to the course and it shows you the price. See how cool that is? So when you create your own coupons, this is what it'll show students when they click on the coupon that you create inside Udemy. And it's really easy to create these coupons. I mean, you can just create them all day long for $29 and $49 and $99, whatever you want, and you can put different names on there. So he has here's his code. His code is Hustle29. So he knows that when he sees students that redeem the coupon with the word Hustle29, he knows that came from his email announcement that he sent right here. So these are pretty powerful because you can send these to thousands of students. Here's another one from Bob Marks, and this is another promotional announcement, and pretty basic. Bob just took like a screen capture of his course listings with the discount applied, and if you click on that, it just goes right to the course. And see, the magic is he has like 8 courses, right? So he might have 10,000 students, so he gets to cross promote his other 7 courses to each course one by one. So that's an amazing compounding marketing factor that he has there, and that most students have, or most instructors have, when they have multiple courses. I only have 2 courses right now, but I'm quickly creating more. But you can see how that really kind of increases and leverages and scales your impact when you have as many courses as he does.